Yeah, it get one vibe what you do for Port Harcourt. I want to hear that vibe again. That vibe is so you didn't want. I want to present to you all the way from Port Harcourt City, the person of international Hypeman Succy. Voila. 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 That vibe is so. That vibe is so.
Ladies and gentlemen, big shout out to every big baller out here. I go by the name Super Hypeman Succy. Big shouts to the CEO Fedi Empire in the person of Empire Mula. Oh yeah, listen. See, as a Port Harcourt boy confirm, bros are the rep. Love me for creep, make a play the jack. To survive for my time, use your head, it they help. Nobody go kappa just in case they track. I said, Rumo kuchu shop, now where I grow up. Choba in the pot, now where I blow up. I say, man, with a boy, Saba, you got the camera winning the shake for we are the main cluster. If you hear we down. If you hear who goes, go your own way. But if you hear that, the slapper go slow, like who don't go didn't die. Not be everywhere, then they find woman. So get too much. Sometimes they be man no man. See, men need a smile, government need a try. When you say red, they enter. Hey, you need just shitty. Unleash. Ladies and gentlemen, they call me Hypeman Succy all the way from Benin City. And right there, I want to show you how we do it. Are you ready to vibe right now? Are you ready to move right now? Are you ready to vibe right now? Are you ready to move right now? Hey! Jump my boy, if you go test the drum, test down. If you go test the drum, test down. Voila. Balaba. Big shout out to the POH. In the best scene of Potato Pie. Here we go. It numbers. Here we go, sir. Yeah, get to the mood. Let the music take control. Get to the mood. Let the music take control. Get to the mood. Let the music take control. Get to the mood. Let the music take control. Listen. Steady. Voila! Listen, sorry. I pull up your eye, then they suffer from the back. I pull up your eye, then they suffer from the back. Don't carry woman for head, though. Don't carry woman for head, though. Here we go, say puff, pass. No good to smoke, what do you don't know? I said puff, pass. No good to smoke, what do you don't know? Before he go carry you, they go where I don't know. He go carry you, they go where I don't know. He go carry you, they go where I don't know. He go carry you, they go where I don't know. He go carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. Carry you, they go. He go carry you, they go. 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 OS Media. Say what? Say time, but they catch me. There go your word. Hey. Wala. Hey, yo, switch it up. Listen. Empire Mula. Empire. Listen, see, send me the kind of alerts that will make my phone to help me. Send me the kind of alerts that will make my also see. They get the kind of alerts we go hit you. You go one slap policeman more than put you inside cell so that you go there. Think what you go use this money do. Voila. Only you and Hypeman Succy. They know you're. Let's go, say. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. The blessing go land. He go worry your neighbors. Say what? God no go shame you.
I say you no go shame
And
us.
up picking. I say God no go shame you.
Say what?
God no go shame you.
Say what?
God no go shame you. The blessings go land. He go worry the neighbors. Ladies and gentlemen, this is incredible Hypeman Succy. Superstar DJ Shadi, Charlie. Thank you. Thank you.
All the way from Port Harcourt. Oh yeah now. DJ,